Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy Wemix on KuCoin. It's easy to get this token on the platform. Make sure you have an account on KuCoin. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts when you register and verify your account. So guys, you've got a verified account. How can you start buying the Wemix tokens on KuCoin? Click on the deposit icon where we have deposit, click on deposit, and you could easily deposit any cryptocurrency that can be converted into the USDT on KuCoin. You could deposit Matic and convert it into USDT, BNB, Tron, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and any other cryptocurrency. Now, if you have some fiat currency, that's your local fiat currency, you could either make use of any of the tokens that are listed here, select the token and simply make the payments from your local account. And once it's here, your fiat currency would be easily converted into cryptocurrency, which you could then confirm its arrival at the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from the overview to the funding or trading account, depending on where your tokens are stored. And once you've got your tokens on your wallet, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Where we have BNB USDT, click on BNB USDT and simply search for Wemix. Click on Wemix USDT, and where we have the limit, that's your trading option limit, move from limit to market, as by using market price, you could buy the crypto at the current price of the market. All you need to do is enter an amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy the Wemix for and click on the buy option. By doing that, you'd find the Wemix token on your wallet. When you head to the assets menu and perform a reload, the Wemix will be there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.